Sangeet. Welcome to my channel, The English Hub. Makes English easy and lucid. I expect all of you would be in a good and better condition. Take care of yourself. Be happy, be healthy. Now I'm going to start my chapter, start my lesson. In my previous class, I have told you types of noun. In this class, in this lesson, I will tell you the different definition of different types of noun and examples. Let's start. According to many, as I have told you that there are 5 types of noun. Common noun, 1. 2 is proper noun. 3 is collective noun. 4 is abstract noun. 5th one is material noun. Okay. Now I am going to deal each and every one with their definition and with their examples. Let's start with common noun. What is a common noun? The noun which represents the whole class or group is called a common noun. What? The noun which represents the whole class or group. It means that we will take a noun and it will represent the whole class. For example, dog. When I will say dog means all sort of dogs, whether it is pet dog, stray dog or different breeds of dogs. So dog represent the whole class of dog. Suppose here it is one example. Suppose I have written river. It is also a common noun. River means all sort of rivers. Their name, their size, all sort of. Rivers means all sort of rivers. So common noun is a word, or common noun is that noun which represents the whole class or group. Okay? Then comes proper noun. Proper noun. The noun which represents the particular name of any person, place or thing. Proper noun means name of person, place or thing. They are called proper noun. Example is Ram. Ram is proper noun. If I want to write, its common noun would be boy. Then comes place. Suppose I have written Delhi. Delhi is the name of a place. That is why it is a proper noun. If I want to write its common noun, then it would be city. Suppose I have written black pen. It is a thing. If I want to write its common noun, then it will be pen. So proper noun means a noun which represents name of person, place and thing. Individual person, place or thing. On the other hand, common noun represents the whole class or group. Then next, move to the third type of noun. That is collective noun. What is a collective noun? A noun which is formed with a collection of different things, or a noun which represents a collection is called a collective noun. A noun which is formed with a collection of different things, or a noun which represents a collection is called a collective noun. For example, army. Example, army. When we say army, it is not a single unit. When different units come together, they make army. For example, library. Library is also a collection. For example, crowd. For example, class. For example, furniture. So these are the examples of collective noun. When we write these words, these nouns, they always represents a collection. When we say crowd, it means that there would be different people. There would be lots of people gathered in one place. So that is why it is called collective noun. Then what is the difference? Then what is the difference between common noun and collective noun? Because that is also a group. It is also a group. Then what is the difference? What is the difference between common noun and collective noun? The basic and the fundamental difference between common and collective noun is that in common noun we can separate the individual units. In common noun we can separate the individual units. On the other hand, we cannot separate the individual units. When individual units come together, they make collective noun. So I can say when individual units come together, they make collective noun. Okay, so this is the basic difference between common noun and collective noun. In common noun, what we can do? Now we can separate individual unit. But in collective noun, when individual units come together, they make a collective noun. Then move on to the next. I am going to discuss about abstract noun. Those nouns which have no shape or size or outer appearance. Those nouns which can be felt only. We can only feel that. That is called abstract noun. So those are feel only. They are called abstract noun. For example, knowledge. For example, honesty. For example, beautiful. So these are the example of abstract noun. Honesty, knowledge, it has no shape. We cannot touch them, we cannot see them, but we can feel them. That is why it is called abstract noun. Last but not the least, material noun, which most of the teachers they don't include in the types of noun, but I think it is also one type of noun, material noun. Material noun, those nouns which have made of different matters or materials are called material nouns. For example, gold, for example, cotton, for example, silver, for example, iron. So these are the examples of material noun. For this video, this much only. Do subscribe my channel if you think I'm good, I'm teaching you the best. Do like, share and comment.